Good morning! For today's lesson, we will be discussing the concept about arithmetic means. So what are arithmetic means? So first, we will visit the learning targets. So for today, you will be able to determine the terms found between two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. Now again, let us define what is an arithmetic mean or what are arithmetic means. So arithmetic mean simply refers to the terms found between two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. Or yun daw yung mga term na nahanap natin sa pagitan ng dalawang hindi magkasunod na term ng isang arithmetic sequence. Now let's have examples para mas madali niyong maintindihan. Now for the first example, we need to insert three arithmetic means between positive 5 and positive 29. So that means between 5 and 29, kailangan daw nating maglagay ng tatlo pang terms that will make this an arithmetic sequence. Hindi tayo pwedeng basta-basta maglagay ng numbers. Hindi pwedeng maging 5, 10, 15, 20, 29. Magiging arithmetic sequence ba siya? Pag ganon? Definitely ay hindi. It will not be an arithmetic sequence. So we need to look for the numbers that will make this an arithmetic sequence. So let's have the solution. So again, ano kaya yung kailangan nating hanapin in order for us to get those missing terms? Okay, let's write the formula. So we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Now, on our formula, sa tingin nyo, alin naman kaya dyan yung hahanapin natin? On the previous lesson, grade 10, hinanap na natin si a sub n. Tama? Kailangan pa ba natin hanapin ulit si a sub n yan? Hinahanap ba yung n term? So, hindi. So, therefore, hindi natin hanapin si a sub n. Si a sub 1, si first term, nawawala ba yung value ng first term? The answer is, no. Ayun si first term, yung 5. So, hindi rin nawawala si a sub 1. Eh, yung n, nawawala ba yung n? Ipinapahanap ba sa atin ilan lahat yung terms? Hindi naman, di ba? So, therefore, hindi rin si n. So, obviously, for us to get those terms, ano na lang yung natitira? We need to look for the value of the common difference. Okay, let's have the solution. In this example, since the last term of the sequence is 29, so therefore our value of a sub n will be 29 equals a sub 1. Substitute lang tayo. Ano yung first term? So we have 5 plus, ilan ba yung terms natin na kailangan? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May 5 terms. May dalawa tayong binigay na terms plus yung tatlong terms na hinahanap. So we have 5 minus 1 times hinahanap si common difference. So still, following the PEMDAS rule, ito muna tayo sa loob ng parenthesis. So we have 29 equals 5 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 times d is 4d. Next, kailangan matira lang yung may letter d. So anong gagawin natin kay 5? Si 5 ay ililipat natin sa kabilang side ng equal sign. So kapag inilipat si positive 5, siya ay magiging negative. So we will have 29. Si 5 na nilipat, magiging negative 5 is equal to 4d. Next, simplify. 29 minus 5 is 24. And that is equal to 4d. And ano yung sunod natin gagawin? Kailangan makuha yung d. Kailangan makuha yung value ng common difference. So therefore, we need to divide both sides of the equal sign by the value na katabi ng d. And that is 4. So 4 divided by 4, so that is equal to 1. And 24 divided by 4 is 6. So therefore, the common difference is now 6. O ngayon, alam na natin ang common difference nila ay 6. Ano naman yung susunod na gagawin? O balik tayo kanina. Ano yung nakuha ulit natin na common difference? Again, nakuha natin common difference is 6. So ano yung gagawin natin kay 6? Para makuha yung tatlong missing terms ng arithmetic sequence. O, balik kayo doon sa lesson number 1. Ano yung ginagawa natin para makuha yung next two terms? Diba? Ina-add lang natin si common difference doon sa huling term ng arithmetic sequence. So in this case, ganun ulit yung gagawin natin. So the first term is 5. So ang gagawin, first term na 5 plus. Ano yung i-add natin? So we will add the common difference, which is 6. So therefore, 5 plus 6 is 11. So therefore, the second term of the sequence is 11. Sunod, paano makukuha yung third term? Ganun ulit, i-add ulit si 6 kay second term naman ni sequence. So 11 plus 6 will give you 17. So that is the third term. And for us to get the third missing term, or yung pang-apat na term ng sequence, so we will have 17 plus 6. And 6 again is the common difference. And 17 plus 6 will give you what number? This will be equal to 23. So therefore, the three missing terms of the arithmetic sequence are 11, 17, and 23. Okay, so let's have our second example. So we need to insert three arithmetic means between negative 24 and negative 8. So that means between negative 24 and negative 8, we need to add 3 more terms. So again, ano ang unang hahanapin? Is it a sub n? Is it a sub 1? Okay, ang hahanapin po is the common difference, and that is denoted by a letter D. Now let's have the solution. Oh, ituturo ako ha, yung shortcut. So aside from using the formula, there is also another way in determining the common difference, which is a lot more easier than using the formula. Oh, let's have pang ilang terms si negative 8 doon sa sequence. So we have a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4. Negative 8 is a sub 5, or the fifth term of the arithmetic sequence. And obviously, si negative 24 ay pang ilang term? It is the first term of the sequence. So therefore, it is denoted by negative 1. O, ano lang yung dalawang operation na gagamitin natin? So we will need to subtract, then divide. Paano subtract and divide, sir? Subtract natin yung mga numbers na nakikita natin sa taas. 5 minus 1, again, yung pang-number ng terms, 5 minus 1 will give us 4. Then negative 8 minus negative 24. O parehas negative yan. Ano ang gagawin natin? Balik tayo sa subtraction of sign numbers. Paano ba mag-subtract ng sign numbers? O dito tayo sa kabilang side ha. So we will have negative 8 minus negative 24. Since both are negative, o pagdugtungin nyo na lang, negative times negative is positive. So we will have negative 8 plus 24. So negative 8 plus 24, that is equal to positive 16. O, may dalawang numbers tayo, 4 and 16. Ano ang gagawin natin kay 4? Ano ang gagawin kay 16? So whatever number yung makukuha natin sa left side ng equal sign, ay i-divide natin dun sa number na nasa right side ng equal sign. So 16 divided by 4, again 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. So therefore, that is the common difference of this arithmetic sequence. O, ano na mas madali? Is it using the formula or using the shortcut? So kayo ang bahala kung alin ang mas madali sa inyo na pwede nyong gamitin. You are allowed na yun ang gamitin. Now again, we have the common difference na 4. Ano ang gagawin kay 4? So katulad kanina, i-add natin si 4 mula kay first term ng arithmetic sequence. So the common difference is positive 4. So ano yung gagawin natin kay positive 4 para makuha natin yung tatlong missing terms ng arithmetic sequence? So we will add positive 4 first to the first term of the sequence. So we will have negative 24 plus the common difference na 4, that is equal to negative 20. So therefore, negative 20 is the second term of the sequence. Para makuha yung susunod ulit, add ulit tayo ng negative 4. So negative 20, or mag-add ulit tayo ng positive 4 rather. So negative 20 plus 4 is equal to negative 16. So therefore, negative 16 is the third term of the sequence. And for us to get the last term, so we will have negative 16 plus 4, and that is equal to negative 12. So therefore, negative 12 is the fourth term of the sequence. So therefore, in this example, the three missing terms are negative 20, negative 16, and negative 12. Okay, so let's have our third example. So in this example, we just need to insert two arithmetic means between 4 and 19. So that means between 4 and 19, ilang blank na lang yung ilalagay ko? Tatlo pa rin ba? So we just need to insert two more lines to indicate the two missing terms between 4 and 19. The same thing kanina. Let us determine first the common difference of the sequence. So pang ilang term si 4? 4 is the first term. Then, si 19 ay pang ilang term? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, that represents a sub 4. O, katulad kanina, minus, then divide. 4 minus 1 will give you 3, while 19 minus 4 is 15. Then whatever number yung nasa left side ng equal sign ay i-divide sa number na nakuha natin sa right side ng equal sign. So this will be 15 divided by 3. And 15 divided by 3 is equal to what number? So that is equal to 5. So therefore, in this sequence, the common difference is 5. Since the common difference is 5, so that means we will just add 5 to the first term of the sequence para makuha natin yung pang second term. So we will have 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. And to get the third term, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So we have the missing terms are 9 and 14. And now, for our fourth example, we need to insert three arithmetic means between negative 5 and positive 45. So, between negative 5 and positive 45, tatlong lines daw yung ilalagay natin. So, katulad kanina, let us find the common difference. 45 ay pang ilang term, so this will be a sub 5. And the value of a sub 1 will be negative 5. O, katulad kanina, minus, then divide. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 45 minus negative 5. So, ito ay magiging positive na kasi 45 minus negative 5. Negative times negative is positive, and 45 plus 5 is 50. Now, we need to divide whatever number yung nasa left side ng equal sign. 50 divided by 4. Obviously, the answer is not a whole number. So if that is the case, if you have 50 divided by 4, what you need to do is to simplify or get the lowest term. Since 50 and 4 are both divisible by 2, so we will have 50 divided by 2 is 25 over 4 divided by 2 is 2. So therefore, our common difference is 25 over 2. Okay, balik tayo. The common difference is 25 over 2. So, i-add natin yon kay negative 5 para makuha yung ibang missing terms. So, you may use your calculators para mas mabilis tayo. So, we will have negative 5 plus 25 over 2. Since hindi sila magkapareha sa fraction, again, ang whole numbers ay may denominator na 1. Cross-multiply na lang, katulad ng isang example ko dati. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. 25 times 1 is 25. Over 1 times 2 is 2. So we will have negative 10 plus 25. Since magkaiba ng sign, magsasubtract. So this will be positive 15 over, copy the denominator na 2. So therefore, the second term is 15 over 2. May lowest term pa ba? Since wala na siyang lowest term, continue tayo. Add ulit. So we will have 15 over 2 plus the common difference na 25 over 2. So since they are now the similar fractions, so copy the denominator, then add the numerators. 15 plus 25 will give you 40. And 40 is divisible by 2. So therefore, 40 divided by 2 will give you the third term of the sequence, which is 20. Next, for us to get the third term, katulad kanina, add lang ng 25 over 2. So 40 over 2 plus 25 over 2, 40 plus 25 is 65. Copy the same denominator, which is 2. So therefore, the missing terms of this sequence are 15 over 2, 20, and 65 over 2. Okay, we're done with the last example. So we need to insert 3 arithmetic means between positive 20 and negative 10. So between positive 20 to negative 10, kailangan pa daw nating maglagay ng tatlo pang missing terms. Now first, find the common difference. So katulad kanina, pang ilang terms si negative 10? So that is a sub 5. And a sub 20 is the first term of the sequence. Subtract, then divide. So we will have 5 minus 1 is 4. Negative 10 minus 20 is negative 30. So whatever number yung nasa kaliwa ay i-divide. So negative 30 divided by 4 obviously is not divisible. So therefore, we just need to get the lowest term. Both numbers again is divisible by 2. So negative 30 divided by 2 is negative 15, and 4 divided by 2 is positive 2. Therefore, this is our common difference. Okay, now that we have the common difference, which is negative 15 over 2, so ano lang gagawin natin para makuha natin yung tatlong missing terms ng arithmetic sequence? So we will just add. So 20 plus negative 15 over 2, what is the answer in our calculators? So that is equal to 25 over 2. Then add ulit, 25 over 2 plus 15 over 2. O, bakit siya naging 5? So we have Ano yung sagot natin kanina? We have 25 over 2 plus negative 15 over 2. So since both are 2 naman na denominator, so copy na lang natin yon. 25 plus negative 15 is positive 10, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Kaya siya naging 5. Next, 10 over 2 na lang or 5, either will do. 5 plus negative 15 over 2 will give us negative 5 over 2. Okay, let us now revisit our learning targets. So, na-achieve ba natin? Na-accomplish ba natin? Nakapag-determine ba tayo ng mga terms found between two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence? If your answer is yes, so therefore, we are able to accomplish this learning target. Na-hit natin yung learning target natin for today. So again, grade 10, that is all for today. So this is your lesson number 3, which is about arithmetic means. Thank you for listening and stay healthy and safe. Goodbye, class.